Please, if you are a girl watching this, I'm telling you right now, leave this video. This is not for you. Because today I'm going to reveal techniques that will make women think about you, crave you, and chase you, even if you're not the most handsome guy in the room. And boys, listen carefully. If you are tired of being ignored, if you're sick of being just a nice guy who gets nothing but rejection, then this video is your turning point. But let me give you a challenge. If you're happy being invisible, if you're okay with staying single forever, then stop watching now. Because once you hear what I'm about to share, you won't see women the same way again. If you stay, you'll have the power to become the crush, the obsession, the one they can't stop thinking about. And one more thing. Don't subscribe right now. Only subscribe if you actually find this video valuable. If you feel these strategies change the way you see attraction. Because this is not entertainment. This is transformation. Part 1. The silent power of Stoicism. First, let's start with Stoicism. Do you know why women chase men who don't even pay much attention to them? It's because silence creates mystery. A man who doesn't react, who doesn't beg, who doesn't flutter with attention, becomes unpredictable. And the female mind is wired to get curious about unpredictability. Imagine this. A girl posts a story on Instagram. Every guy replies with fire emojis, heart eyes, and compliments. But you see it, and you don't say a word. Days later, she wonders why you didn't react. Did you not notice? Do you not care? That curiosity, that doubt, is the first seed of attraction. Your silence makes her brain chase answers. That's stoic power. Part 2. Dark psychology of scarcity. Second, you must understand the psychology of scarcity. People value what they can't easily have. If you're always available, always texting first, always free to hang out, you become common, predictable, boring. But if you withdraw your attention suddenly, you become rare. And rare things are priceless. Example, imagine you talk to your crush every day. She gets used to you. Now suddenly you disappear for 2 days. No texts, no calls. She'll pretend she doesn't care, but deep inside her brain starts asking, why is he not here? Who is he with? Did he lose interest in me? And when she finally hears from you again, the relief she feels makes her crave your presence more. That's manipulation through scarcity. Part 3. Emotional hooks. Mental imprints. Third, you need to leave emotional imprints. Attraction isn't about looks alone, it's about how you make her feel. Here's a psychological hack. Connect a strong emotion to your presence. Make her laugh one day, then suddenly go cold the next. Share something deep and personal, then pull back into silence. This hot and cold pattern keeps her emotionally off balance. And when someone is emotionally unbalanced, they get addicted to the person who causes it. Think of it like a drug. If you give her constant happiness, she gets used to it and it loses value. But if you mix happiness with absence, comfort with confusion, she'll crave your approval like a fix. And the more she craves it, the more she thinks about you. Part 4. The illusion of choice control. Fourth, make her feel like she's the one chasing. This is where manipulation becomes subtle. Instead of asking her out directly, say things that plant ideas in her head. For example, I don't usually hang out with people easily, but with you, maybe I'd make an exception. You're not begging for her attention, you're making her feel special while still keeping control. She feels like she has to prove herself worthy of your time. The illusion is simple. You make her think she's choosing you, but in reality, you're guiding her into the chase. Part 5. The masculine frame. She can't resist. Finally, you must build a masculine frame, the energy that says, I don't need you, but I can have you if I want. Women chase power, not desperation. And power doesn't mean money or looks alone. It means control over yourself. Control over your emotions, your time, and your reactions. If she texts late, you don't instantly reply. If she tests you with jealousy, you stay calm like a mountain. If she ignores you, you move on like nothing happened. This unshakable frame makes her feel small storms inside while you remain unbothered. And the more unshaken you are, the more she chases that stability. So now the choice is yours. You can go back to being the invisible nice guy who always gets ignored, Or you can start applying these principles of Stoicism, scarcity, emotional hooks, illusions of choice, and masculine frame, and make women think about you, dream about you, and chase you. But remember what I said in the beginning. Don't subscribe just for fun. Only do it if this video gave you real value, if you actually feel like you learned something powerful. Because this is not about being entertained. This is about changing who you are. The next time you walk into a room, ask yourself, are you the one chasing or are you the one being chased?